Hi, in this video I'll be talking about the interface that you're seeing on the screen, which is the Microsoft Excel interface. So what you have to know is that the Microsoft Excel interface is made up of two windows. So the first window is the outer window, which is also called the application window, and the second window is the inner window, which is also known as the workbook window. So in this video I only talk about things in the application window. So let's begin. So the first thing I'll talk about is the quick access toolbar, which is right here. So the quick access toolbar contains commands that you can access no matter which tab you select. So as you can see here on the interface, we have different tabs. There is the home tab, then the insert tab, the page layout, and so on and so forth. So with the quick access toolbar, you can access those commands regardless of the tab that you select. So to add a command to the quick access toolbar, you click on this drop down here. As you can see, it displays a lot of commands. The ones that are part of the quick access toolbar have are ticked. Then for you to add a command, you just have to select the command that you want to add. So let me select email. As you can see, email is part of our commands now. So if I click on email again, you won't see it there. So the second thing I'll talk about is the ribbon, which is this thing here that contains different tabs here. So the ribbon has the home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, and these tabs contain different commands. Every tab has its own commands. So if you want to hide, let's say you want to hide this ribbon, all you have to do is you go to the right here, to the top right, and click this arrow. So it's going to display a lot of options. So if you click the first option, you're going to hide it. If you want to show it, you're just going to click the arrow again. You can say show tabs. It's going to show the tabs here. Then when you click show tabs and commands, it's going to show the tabs and the commands. Yeah. So when you right click, you right click somewhere here in the ribbon, you're going to see options. The option that I want to talk about is the customize the ribbon option, which enables you to customize the ribbon in terms of what you add to the ribbon. Yes, so I'll leave that to you. So the third thing that I'll talk about is the formula bar, which is right here. This here is the formula bar. So what the formula bar does is that you can use it to enter data into the cell. You can also use it to edit data. So it can also be used to enter formulas and different functions in Excel. We'll talk about functions in later videos. So for example, you select cell A1, right, and you want to enter data in this cell. All you have to do is you come here and then say 56. The 56 will be shown in the cell A1. So if you want to delete, you can either delete from here or you can delete from the formula bar. Then we also have the name box that displays the cell that's currently selected. So as you can see here, the selected cell is A1, and then that is what is shown in the name box. So for the formula bar, you can perform a lot of tasks with it. So for example, if you have 56 here, then you have 45 here, and you want to add these two numbers, you can come to the formula bar and put your equals here. Then you select the first cell that contains the number that you want to add, then your operation, then select the second cell. When you press enter, you get your sum. Yeah, so that is one of the things you can do in the formula bar. Then the other thing I'll talk about is the file menu, which is right here. So this one just contains a lot of other functions that you can perform in Excel. So you have new if you want to create a new file, then open if you want to open a file that you saved, and other things, save and save as. Yeah. So the other thing I want to talk about is the viewing options that are right here. So you have the normal view, then you have page layout view, then you also have the page break preview. So these ones can be used for different tasks. Then the last thing I'll talk about is this zoom control. For you to zoom, you just have to click on this thing right here, then you drag it. Okay, so this thing is called the slider. So when you drag it, you are zooming. That is all about the outer window of this interface on the screen. So in the next video, I'll talk about the workbook window. Watch out for that one.